My name is Ross. I'm Senior Vice President, and we give SalesPad a 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. We were using various products before SalesPad. That was one of the challenges that our board had given us, was to find a single source order system that we could implement company-wide, as we have operations throughout the U.S. as well as international. And so prior to implementing SalesPad, we were using 6 different order entry ERP systems. And by going to SalesPad, we consolidated those 6 into one. We chose SalesPad because first, they were a Dynamics GP preferred partner, and we did not want to change accounting systems. We were using as our accounting backend the GP Dynamics. And because of their partnership, it was already integrated and set basically on top of GP. So when we were looking at other options, SalesPad went to the top of that category because of their relationship and its seamless connectivity with GP. That was one of the biggest reasons. What really sold us, because we looked at other systems, much more complex and larger, but we wanted, as a smaller public company, we wanted a company that was dynamic like us, that could be nimble, could look at customizations we needed, and SalesPad met all of those objectives for us. And so that's why we chose SalesPad at the end. SalesPad ease of use was pretty simple, right? So between the SalesPad integration team and our own integration team, we programmed the software to meet our individual company needs. And then we had our own internal trainers learn the product as we were going through that process, so that we were able to train our own employees through webinars and some on site. Overall, because of the easy interface, SalesPad was like using any other Windows type program. So it was very easy for our users to adapt and learn the product when we introduced it, which made for a quicker and a cheaper rollout of other products we were considering. SalesPad I would highly recommend if you're looking at a ERP system to replace your order entry, your inventory, your distribution. They're a dynamic company, as I've stated before. They work with companies of all sizes, from small to large firms, but it's their ability to understand the customer's needs and separate, let's say, wants from needs, to integrate the product over a period of time, as they did with us with different modules. And so I can't recommend SalesPad enough. And I think anybody looking at a new order entry or total ERP system should definitely consider SalesPad.